and welcome. If you want to grow your business, having an insight about the top selling products in eBay does help a lot. But how do you find top selling items or products in eBay? Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. On today's video, we're gonna see how we can find top selling items on eBay. Well, among many options out there, today I'm gonna walk you through 3 of those methods. The first one is using the eBay Seller Hub. You can access this by going to this link, ebay.com/ss/ovw. On this Seller Hub, you want to go to Research tab, alright? Once you click on it, you can search for keywords. Let's close this. Keywords like, let's say, charger, and then all categories. Okay, let's go all categories. Now, you can look at these stats or statistics and get a good understanding of how the charger is doing in eBay. All right, from all products you can do charger and cradles, or even charger or charger and adapters to further narrow down your search results. Apply. You can also do price filter, format filter, condition filter, and also top rated. The second method is going for this trending deals. In this trending deals page, these are the products that are selling really well at a great deal. So these are popular products. You can also get understanding of the trending products or top selling items through this page. Alright, and the third is manual way. For that, you need to search for a particular item on the search bar of eBay homepage, like so, charger, and once you click on search, among the search results, if you click on any one of them, like I'm going to select this one, and once you scroll down, you can see the information about how many have been sold. 61,406 have already sold. Alright, so the greater the sales are, the better it will be if you want to sell your own. Alright, now you know how to find top selling products or items on eBay. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.